Good day everyone, I am Micaela Ibahian, and for today we are going to show you how to make one of the most signature dish in Spain, which is churros. The ingredients that we're going to use is first water, sugar, vegetable oil or canola oil, salt, and flour. And the tools that we're going to use is mixing bowl, rubber spatula, piping tip, and also piping bag. So, so now we're going to start to make churros. First, let's boil the water first. In this kettle, we have a... Let's wait for it to boil, and then we're going to mix all of the ingredients after it hit the boiling point. Now that the water is already boiling, we're going to measure 1 cup of boiling water. Be careful with this because this is hot. And after that, we're going to mix the oil, the sugar, and then the salt here in the boiling water. The measurement of this is 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Let's dissolve this first in the hot water. When you see that the salt and the water is already dissolved, we're going to mix the flour. Just mix it until it's well combined and the texture sticks like a dough. Now that our dough is done, we're going to put this on a piping bag. So now we are done in frying the churros. I'm going to taste test it. I prepared here a cinnamon and sugar. The churros I made is kind of big compared to the churros we've seen online or what we regularly eat. It's because of my piping tip, it's big. Here's the churros. The dough is nice, but I don't like cinnamon. But it's good, but I don't like cinnamon. So this is how you make a churros at home.